Ever found yourself in a situation where your scanner refuses to cooperate? A common scenario in our digital age, isn't it? Well, fret not. This comprehensive guide will walk you through how to handle these glitches effectively and efficiently. First off, let's tackle the frequent culprit: connectivity issues. Whether your scanner is tethered via USB or network, a glitch in connection can certainly disrupt your scanning process. The solution? Begin by inspecting the physical connections between your scanner and your computer or network router. Make sure all cables are securely plugged in and there aren't any loose connections. If connected via USB, it might be worth trying a different port on your computer, or even replacing the cable if it appears damaged. For those using network-connected scanners, ensure you're connected to the correct network with the right settings. A simple restart of both your scanner and computer or router can also help reset the connection and solve connectivity issues. Next up, scanning errors or malfunctions. These pesky problems can appear as error messages on your scanner's display or even issues with the scanned image quality. The first step to troubleshoot? Check for any paper jams or obstructions in your scanner's document feeder or flatbed. Clearing these and ensuring the document is properly aligned can prevent scanning errors caused by mechanical issues. It's also crucial to ensure your scanner drivers are up to date. Simply download the latest version from the manufacturer's website and install them on your computer. This can help eliminate scanning errors and compatibility issues caused by outdated or corrupt drivers. But what if the problem lies with the scanning software itself? Compatibility issues or software conflicts can also contribute to scanner problems. A quick fix? Try a different scanning software to see if the problem persists. Reinstalling your current scanning software or updating it to the latest version can also help resolve these software-related issues. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully during this process to ensure a smooth installation and configuration. Don't forget about calibration and maintenance, two critical aspects to improve the performance and reliability of your scanner. Calibration ensures accurate capture of colors and details, while regular maintenance prevents mechanical issues and extends the lifespan of your scanner. You can find instructions on how to calibrate and maintain your scanner in the user manual or the manufacturer's website. To sum up, resolving common computer scanner problems requires a systematic approach and a combination of troubleshooting techniques. By addressing connectivity issues, scanning errors, software problems, and performing regular maintenance, you can ensure a smooth scanning operation. With a pinch of patience and perseverance, you can become proficient at fixing scanner issues and maximize the potential of your scanner. Remember, every problem has a solution.